Hello, I'm back. I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these. Y'all, I think that's a daffodil. Is that correct? I know I have them in the spring, but they don't last very long. So somebody tell me what kind of flower that is. I think it's a daffodil. A daffodil. No, I think that's a daffodil. Is that correct? I'm so crazy. Anyway, let's make one, y'all. Let me tell you what you need. You are going to need, this was a carton of eggs from Michael's, and they're big. The one of these that I saw was smaller, but it had a flat bottom. But I bought a package of these wooden disc that has like a variety of sizes, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to paint one of these, and then that's what the egg is sitting on. But I made it look like there's some dirt on here. Let me see if I can get the comments. Hello, hello, daffodil, awesome. I'm going to drink a sip of water. Welcome, my name's Debbie. I'm a blogger and an independent designer with Chalk Couture and a crafter. I love to craft. I love to look at things and see if I can figure out how to make them. And I need to have my hair cut. Anyway, I saw this in the store and I was like, I think I can make that. Hello, hello, hello. Here's what you need. This is a bag of reindeer moss from Dollar Tree. You need some brown craft paint. You need something to hold your egg up. I'm using this disc. You could use anything you want. Hey, Sarah. And then this is just a bunch of daffodils that I got at Michael's. And I love that they look realistic. And I wanted one with these skinny leaves on it. Hey, Carolyn. Have y'all ever seen people plant real plants in eggs? I've seen it on TV, but I've never actually done it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one of these off of this bunch. You know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to go ahead, because I got to get this paint dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint the bottom. I'm going to paint the bottom of this. Make sure my glue gun's on. Turn my glue gun on. This is just espresso color. And I'm going to paint this and the bottom of my egg to make it kind of look like dirt. And this is actually the bottom because it's the bigger size. So I'm just going to paint it while it's in this carton. And this does not have to be perfect. I'm trying to make sure I don't have any on my hand. And I'm not going to worry about the bottom because I'm going to put some glue on here. Thanks for sprinkling. I think I hear somebody's cat outside. I don't know why I put so much paint on here. Thanks, Nelda. Thank y'all for coming back. I don't know if you were on here earlier when I did the other live. But thank you. So paint your disc. Well, and listen, what I figured, you can make these for half or less than half of the one that I saw for sale, and this is bigger. And then you're going to need, like, this is like a used pot of coffee. And this looks like the dirt. So I'm going to sprinkle it on this wet paint. And this gets a little bit messy. But it smells good. Somebody's talking about painting the edge of the disc. Yes, listen, you can paint anything you want to. I'm here for ideas. I am the last thing. I'm not a perfectionist. Hey, Janet. Celie, you can go back and watch the whole video. Stays on this page forever and ever and ever. So while your paint's wet, add some coffee. I didn't put any glue. I didn't put anything on the bottom because I'm gonna add some glue to it. In fact, I'm gonna. Hey, Mandy, and somebody said paint the edge, so y'all paint the edge if you want to. I don't worry about those minor details. Because let me show you. When this is sitting somewhere, nobody notices that. It's so cute. All right, now I'm going to show y'all how to poke a hole in the top. Let me put this right here so you can see. But seriously, if you want to paint the edge, paint the bottom, paint whatever you want. I feel like I need to add some more dirt, but it's dry. Hey, Eva. Oh, Lord. Did y'all see that the top fell off? And I'm just adding some more paint because I need some more dirt or coffee on the edge. This kind of reminds me of playing outside in the dirt. Okay, now just sit this somewhere to dry. I'm seriously wanting a cup of coffee. Look, if y'all have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Joyce, I got these eggs at Michael's, but I bet you they're everywhere. Okay, let me take this glue stick out. All right, now get your glue gun hot and then just add some pressure at the top and it will melt this egg. Don't press down too hard. It might not be quite hot enough yet. Oh, there we go. And just kind of waller it around till you get your hole pretty big. You know, bigger than an egg that you're gonna, bigger than one like you're gonna cook with, you know, when you take the white out. So you want your hole. I just heard something. So the end of your glue gun gets hot. But it melts this plastic really nice. And it makes a pretty little hole. So there's my hole. I'm just going to make sure. I might need it bigger. Let me see. I got to cut my flower. And I don't want my flower this tall. I want it a little bit shorter. So I'm going to take my stem, my leaf off. And I'm going to cut this shorter. Because I don't want it to be like a top-heavy flower. And if you're going to do several of them, you can do them at different heights. Or if you're a perfectionist, Donna, I don't know. If you want to get your drill out, you can. But this hot glue gun is so much easier. All right. So now, you stick your flower in here, and it fits perfectly. I'm just going to make sure that, I want to make sure the stem okay, yeah, that's going to fit. Kyle, that would be, that'd be scary. I'll make the hole just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to go ahead and glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue my egg on here. And y'all, when I'm using the end just for heat to melt something, I like to take the stick out so that the glue's not flowing. So I'm going to be generous with this. And I'm going to just try to make sure that I've got my egg centered and that it's straight. Because I want my flower to stand pretty. Thank you for sprinkling. Okay, so now my egg is on my stand. And I'm just going to sprinkle some more coffee in here just in case that hot glue wants to show. And y'all, this would be cute with tulips or really any kind of flower. Thanks, Kyle. The coffee grounds make wonderful dirt and they smell so good. So I'm going to stick a little bit of glue on the end before I put my flower in. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this in here. Thank y'all for sprinkling. Y'all are so sweet. And look, if y'all make some of these, I want you to share them with me. Hey, Tina. Hey, Virginia. Oh, thank you. I ordered one of these from one of my paparazzi friends. I love that jewelry, y'all. If I wasn't selling Chalk Couture, I'd be selling jewelry. Okay, so here's where we are so far. We got a disc on the bottom. We got coffee grounds for dirt. Painted it brown just to, you know, make the dirt look good. So here's where we are. We've got our daffodil with our leaf. And this is not the most beautiful leaf. So now we're going to add some of the reindeer moss. And I'm sure I got this at Dollar Tree, but I'm sure you can get it anywhere. You probably already have some. So now I'm just going to put some around the top. I'm trying to catch y'all's comments. Oh, Janet, yes, that's a great idea. So now I'm just adding some glue and adding the moss. And y'all, I'm sure this would melt the egg if I put too much, so I'm trying to be careful. Because let me tell you, this gun is, it is hot. So y'all tell me where you would use these. I made one for my tiered tray, but somebody just mentioned like your place setting. I think that's a wonderful idea. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Kimmy, you can rewatch this. Y'all, these videos are on my page. All you gotta do is click on videos and you can watch video after video after You never really miss a video. That is the awesome thing about Facebook. Video after video after video. Oh yeah, I made this yesterday. I'm an Alabama country girl. Now I'm just kind of filling in. Oh, Eva, I like that idea. Whoop. Y'all be careful, don't touch this glue, it's deadly. Yeah, you can binge watch me. You can turn my crazy sound down too. Okay. Y'all, this flower looks so real because I know daffodils have those things. That is it, y'all. So please, and you see how there's the you know, there's brown. I mean, it's like it was put in dirt. It's not perfect. Somebody said they would paint the edge and, I mean, paint the bottom, paint whatever you like, put whatever flower you want in here, and just have fun with it. Lori, thank you. Yes, Donna, you could chalk the eggs too. Wouldn't that be cute? In fact, you could do enough to spell out Easter or hop or, you know, whatever you want. But that is it. And y'all see how quick and easy that was. And if you grab these craft supplies when they're, you know, 40 and 50% off, it's so much cheaper than buying these already made. I mean, I've seen these in specialty stores and they're like crazy prices. But anyway, thank y'all for sharing, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget, if you make one, to share a photo.